Hello and welcome to my tool learning video number 4. I'm Sophie Youngs. This is for my IDT 740 Design Studio class, and this time I'm talking about Beautiful Audio Editor. It is a Chrome extension, an online tool that can connect you to your Google Drive. So you can actually, if you log in with your Google account, you can save your projects to your Google Drive. It records and allows you to edit audio. I found it at the Chrome Webstore, and here are the main buttons. So up here is where you name your project. And this is when you're recording, you can go back to 00 to listen to it or to start the recording over again. It's the play and pause button if you want to listen and pause. This one's select mode, so you can drag audio around, and I'll show you what that looks like in a second. This is the duplicate mode, so you can actually copy and paste sections that you like and you need repeated. This is the split mode, and it splits it in half. So you could, if you have a bad part in your audio, you can split it right before the bad part and after the bad part, and then actually delete and use the remove button to delete the section of bad audio. You could re-record the part that was bad and use the select mode to drag it into the place where it needs to go. You have the option of downloading this as a WAV file or an MP3, or just saving the project while you're still working on it in your Google Drive. And what was odd, I thought, in this one is that your record button's green and it's down on the bottom. So I thought that was odd. So here it is. I've been using this to record the audio for my videos. And then I'm going to create the graphics for the video and insert the audio and make it match. I might have to end up re-recording, which is totally fine because this is so easy to use. For example, bless you, Zane. This is my audio, my script. That I created for my mineral properties video. This is the intro page. So then I'll click record. Now that you know what a mineral is, how do you figure out which mineral you have? This video will give you important information that is needed to progress through the room. You might want to take notes. Minerals can be tested to figure which properties they have. Each mineral is unique and has certain properties. Some mineral properties are luster, streak, hardness, cleavage, fracture, magnetic, and heft. Click on each mineral property to learn more about the properties. Once you have seen everything you think you need to be successful, answer the follow-up questions. The answers will give you the code needed to progress. And the thing always continues going, which is odd, but you can always click pause, you can always go back to the beginning, you click play, you can listen to it and find the parts that are bad. I'm going to go ahead and download this. It's really easy to download. And bam, and I have it in my downloads now. It's there. All right, so if I wanted to edit this and listen to it, I'm in the select mode. That means I can drag it around where I want it to be. I can duplicate it, and now click on a section to duplicate. This whole thing is one bubble is a section, so when I click on that, the whole thing duplicates. If I want to get rid of it, bam, it's gone. If I want to cut it in half, say right here was a bad spot, and then I can just delete that piece, and it's gone. You can do multiple levels, so I can mute this one, start recording another one, and I'm recording, and it records the next one down here. You don't see it yet until you click the stop button. So then now I have 2 pieces of audio, and usually I can drag it, yep, up into it and combine them. Let's unmute this one and combine them. Say that was the fix of the bad part of the audio, and I could put it in there, and it works great. I really like this because it's pretty much user-friendly, and if I find it to be easy. I think it would be easy for students to use, to record things, edit out the bad parts, put back in the good parts, like if they re-recorded a part of it and put it back in. They can also edit the oh, they have an undo button. I can undo that. And they redo, put it back. And if you have, like, we're a Chrome school, so linking it to our Google Drive is really great, because they're automatically logged into their Google Drive, and it's really cool. So then this is also an online tool, so they can do it anywhere that they have internet. They don't have to be just at school, and they can do it on their Chromebooks. You can import files from your Google Drive, so if they had a project they saved on their Google Drive, they can then import their files from their Google Drive to continue working on it. That's everything I've learned with this. It's everything I've needed to know with this so far. Thanks for watching.